I see myself as a translator of sorts, taking the cumbersome language of style and design and essentially doing a portrait of my clients in their style. Hi, I'm Stephen Wanta, and my firm is Wanta-Architect. This is a 2,200 square foot penthouse in East Midtown, not including the lovely terraces, and I'm going to show you what we did here. So here we are in the foyer, and we are making a place with the console and the seat that we have cantilevered off this wall. But really, it's a lot about leading you into the living room. And that's done in two ways. One, with this runner that we made out of floor modular carpets, and the Katy Stone art piece, which was commissioned for this space specifically to lead you along the wall as you look in. So here in the main living space, the real challenge was to figure out how to light it properly and also define the two main areas, the dining room and the living room. The way we handled placemaking here was the carpets, of course, and also the lighting, which we did this constellation in a custom setup with a canopy that we designed to go on the concrete ceiling. The clients already owned the table, and you can see it's solid walnut with a zinc river of sorts. And we used this to inspire this console piece that sits between the living and dining room. On the dining side, it's wrapped with textured leather, and then on this side, it is this walnut veneer that matches the tabletop. Here in the living room, we designed this light fixture, and it supports a mobile light by Christopher Dobby. One of my favorite elements of the space are these drapery pieces we designed. They soften the corners of the room and also work to control acoustics within this large space. Another feature of this apartment are the two amazing terraces. This one facing east. So here on the east terrace, we have this really relaxing view, which contrasts to the slightly smaller west terrace, which looks out toward Midtown. Among my clients are two cats, and for the primary bedroom door, I did put in a special feature for my friend Milo here. So here we are in the primary bedroom, and the bed design itself features this lovely sculpted wool and then these two reading lights that are wrapped in leather on either side. Taking advantage of some of the prized wall space, given how much glass there is this Mark Wigmore lit piece that was commissioned for the space. The clients were in Bali, and they texted me a photo of a very beat up pair of doors that they loved. And you can see here we had them restored and refinished. And behind them is a simple box which has their bedding and pillows and so on. Here in the primary bathroom, we had this idea of printing an image on the back of full sheets of glass. In this case, from a photo from the 1930s. Given that this shower is internal, it is like you have a window view of the city. So the client had always wanted to have one of these Broadway type mirrors, but we designed this vanity specifically for this location. In a bathroom with such hard surfaces, these full height drapes do a lot to soften the space both visually and acoustically. I'm really glad I got a chance to show you this apartment. I think it's a great example about how I can work in different styles, even when the clients have different styles.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.